Hi, this is Jason with Funstick.com, here to bring you a quick tutorial on how to install or upload a new brush pack to Photoshop. Let's get it. There are two ways I like to use to install brushes to Photoshop. After you download and unzip your brush packs, make sure you save your file to a safe place, like an external hard drive or to the cloud, or even email yourself a copy. That way you've got a backup and you don't ever lose it. The first way I'll show you is what I like to call the quick and easy way. But first things first, jump into Photoshop here. Come up here to your little brush icon for your brush panels right here. Go ahead and click on that. Come up here to the top right corner of your brush panel. Click on the little layers, kind of looks like a hamburger, your hamburger icon here. Go ahead and open that up. Come down to import brushes. Open up where you've saved your brush pack. Come over here, come over to your, see, we did dirty shirt, so we'll go to brushes. Come over here, this will open up a .abr file. Go ahead and click on that and open. So go ahead and scroll all the way down to your brush windows. Come over here, make sure that you've got a mask. Go ahead and click that, make sure that's highlighted. Make sure that your color palette is on black. Scroll through, pick one of your favorites. Go ahead and resize it to the size of your canvas. And there you go. Dirty shirt all the way, baby. All right, let's go on to the second way that you can import or upload your brushes. And this is what I like to call the hard install. So you come over here, come to your Finder window, go to your applications, come over to Adobe Photoshop 2022, double click on that, go to your presets, go to your brushes. So go ahead and open up where you keep your brushes. And then we can go ahead and I'll do the fabric, and then we'll do brushes. Go ahead and click on it, drag it into the Adobe brush folder. It'll ask for your security code. Go ahead and let that open up. Go ahead and close out of this. Go ahead and close out of Photoshop and go ahead and open it up again. Let's see, we'll open up Beaumont 2020. So what we'll do is we'll come over here, got the group, we'll add a mask. Come over, open it up, we'll do fabric. There you have it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. So until next time, peace.